Hi guys, here we are at Sandals Grande Antigua in beautiful Antigua in the Caribbean. I'm going to give you a little room tour. We're staying in the WGL category, which is the Caribbean Honeymoon Grande Luxe Poolside Walkout room. I hope I got that all right. Their room names are so long at Sandals, but they are very descriptive. This is in the Caribbean Village side. We're on the ground level. That's why it's called a walkout. So we do have a walkout patio. And our room number here is 615. Let me show you around. So our room is towards the back of the resort by the pool and gardens, as I said, in the Caribbean Village side. We are kind of closer to the Sunset Bluff, more central on the resort, so it's a really convenient location for restaurants. Here we have, let's start here, little coffee station. Now the luxury level rooms at Sandals come with beer and wine included in your room, no liquor. If you have a club level room or butler, then you get different types of liquor in your room. So this is restocked daily, wine and beer, waters, juices, sodas. The beer, for anybody wanting to know, is the local Carib lager. White wine in the fridge, red wine on top. Coffee and tea, of course. AC unit. Here you have your desk area if you need to do some work. King bed at all Sandals, of course. Flat screen TV, dresser for your stuff, very comfy couch. Patio outside. My husband Michael. Here we have another dresser here. As some of you may know, Sandals is an adults only all-inclusive resort, which caters towards couples, so all rooms are designed for two. All rooms have king beds. You can come with a friend or somebody if you don't mind sharing a bed, as long as there's two people in a room. They will make an exception once in a while for singles, for example, if you're coming to a wedding, but typically they do require two people in the room. Now let me show you the bathroom, which has been a bit updated. Sink area, makeup mirror, soap, Red Lane Spa soap, which is Sandals Spa. Over here in the closet, ironing board, safe, luggage rack, umbrella if you need it, extra towels and pillows, laundry bag if you need it, which is quite pricey, so better to bring enough laundry because there are no self-service laundry facilities. And then this is a shower tub combo with a nice big soaking tub, and the cleaning person is coming back with a shower curtain for us, toilet, and like this nice little storage area, which is great, with again the Red Lane Spa items, which includes lotion, cleanser, conditioner, shampoo. You can get these restocked, and another soap. Let me just take you out here through the patio. Little table and chairs. Garden view, as I said. And there is actually a pool over here. That's why it's considered a poolside room. The pool is over here. All these little buildings have pools. And a nice towel rack to dry your wet bathing suits or towels. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed that tour. If you're maybe staying in the WGL category at Sandals Grande Antigua, maybe you're trying to decide where you want to stay. If you don't mind hitting the like button and subscribing if you'd like to see more travel videos. Thanks, bye.